Hi everyone, my name is Liz Hoffman. I'm from Pennsylvania and I have my undergrad degree in Human Development and Family Studies from Penn State University. Some of my interests include hiking, being outdoors, hanging with my pup. I'm currently working as a case manager and a program supervisor for a program through Catholic Social Services called the Bridge to Independence program. We work with individuals who are 18 to 26 years old and have a primary mental health diagnosis. Help them learn the basic life skills that they need so they can move on and move out into their own housing in the future. My reasoning for wanting to go back to school and get my master's degree in social work is just so I could learn as much knowledge as possible, work and different theories and methods, so I can give the best treatment I can to the clients that I work with every day. It's nice to meet you all, and I'm excited to start another course at Widener. Thank you.